should I turn it down and take it?
Hi, Oliver. Do you want to try a lemon?
No.
No?
No.
It's cold. Are you going to taste it? Oh! Oh, is it sour? Oh! Sour.
Go.
It's cold. Cold lemon. No, not. Sour. Sour lemon? No, don't bite that part. Just this part. Sour lemon. You like it? Mmm.
Go.
Cold. Is it a sour lemon? You're silly. Not that side. Lawnmower.
I done.
All done? Okay.